Good morning, another beautiful day here in Park City. Today, we're gonna go ride the Glenwild Trails. You ready to go? Huh? Since Gregor's still a little bit of a wild card, off leash when we're not on the trails, we'll be on a leash until we get to the biking area, but he doesn't mind because he can just pull me. All right, finally made it onto the trail. Plan is to head up this trail over that way to Stealth and then check out some new stuff instead of just taking the Glenwild loop. So these trails are, I feel like, notoriously different than the rest of the trails in Park City just because of how rocky they are. All the other ones on like the Wasatch Back, kind of by the canyons and Park City side, they're just so smooth. I mean, they just remove all the rocks, and Round Valley is kind of in between, but yeah, the ascents aren't as technical, so the rocks don't bother me. But yeah, I absolutely love it. All these rocks remind me of my days learning how to mountain bike back in New England. It's awesome. Up the rocks. We're now on the Flying Dog Trail, headed over to the Jeremy Ranch section. Check out some downhilling trails over here. Oh yeah, all right, now we are headed down Dropout. There we go. Look through the turns, but I feel like I never do, so I'm trying to get better at that. But these berms are fantastic to carry speed into. Looking ahead, see what's coming. Had to dab a little bit there. Didn't trust the tires. Nice, bud. I think my rebound is way too high. The front fork is just snapping back in my hands. Oh shit! In my hand. Whew. You okay, bud? So there was a snake back there. Good boy, bud. Go, bud. Go. Go, buddy. Go. Cheater, buddy. Off balance back there. I think Gregor's had enough of the downhill. I'm gonna stop up here. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Well, headed back up the downhill trail. I know we're going the wrong way, but Gregor was really lagging behind, and I think it was too hot for me to keep downhilling. So made the executive decision made it just out in time before the riders came up. We're back on the Glenwild Trail, ready for a good time. Wasatch is slowly melting off. Now we are headed back on the Glenwild Trail. I broke the gimbal again. Overloaded one of the rotors when I hit it and started spinning. So it's gonna be handheld for the rest of this ride. Yeah, I've never seen him this slow. And we're headed back.